Hi guys, so today we are back with a banger video. With this new helicopter we are going to unbox today. Let's check if this is worth every penny on it. Let's go. Let's go. So let's see what things come in this. We get in this. So let's unbox this. First, we get
stay cool out. Why my worst enemy waits for me? Yeah. Talking too loud, showing the world that he's in charge here. Your face can't deny. No matter what you say, the eyes don't show.
So you can see here a small big type of with this light on. This light indicates that it's on and power is full. So we are on the remote too. With this light you get a red light on. So we are ready to check. So we are going to check now. So this costs us around 2000 rupees. We are going to check it.
You're still so lost. You got fun in your eyes. Keys to open doors.
Oh, this wasn't funny. But it's not very funny right now.
3, 2, 1.
I want it to be. I will be again.
So this is the end of the video. If you like our videos, like, share and subscribe. And if you have a helicopter tie like this, comment
Watch out your mouth.
See you in the next video.
Make yourself feel you may not